Ang ganda naman yan, no? Punta tayo dito. Kakain tayo. Dito sa Seafood City. Kasama ko si Apo. Ayan. Oh. Ha? Extra bayad?
Yeah, this way?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go.
Dito ulit tayo sa grill. Thank you. Inihaw na bangus po. Inihaw na bangus.
Ah.
You wanna check the other side too?
I want to drink. I'm still getting this over.
Halo-halo, okay?
I want chicken's head.
Chicken skin. Ruffle thoughts. Chicken skin. Here, the food. Sarap ng bangus. Tsaka shrimp. Here they have. Ayan o, tinubuan. Okay. You decide yet? Ang haba oh. Foot long turon. That's
chicken.
That's dessert.
we'll get food first and then we'll get dessert later. Okay, you have to decide what. Wow.
Aba, naka-vlog si Af.
May bago silang hot pot meals. Ang sarap. Gusto mo yan? Arroz caldo.
Caldo overload.
Chop, chop. Hindi ko na napili na ano.
Salam. Dalawa. Baboy. Kuya, order mo na yung what baboy?
Ah.
Ate, may pag-net na ba kayo? Parang wala pa yan.
Ewan.
May pag-net na kayo?
Can I drink some?
Oh, yun, meron pa daw.
Taho.
Tapos,
Isang taho. Isang taho.
is it just ready to?
Ready? Oh, yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Taho. Yummy taho.
Pato, nabigay na po. Yung paho.
Oo, meron na.
Okay, sige. Okay, thank you po.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Diba? May init pa. Mainit pa po yung ating soup. Look what I got it, Jana. Can you take a picture of me? Oh, that's okay. I'm filming myself na. Hindi pa mainit. Umuusok na, oh. Sarap. Masarap. Masarap po ang bulalo sa malamig na panahon. Meron ka palang ano, tokwa kasama? Tokwa at baboy?
Mm.
Daddy, masam? Meron siyang mushroom. Oops. Custard apple. Patties. Milk fruit. Kaimito. $10.99. Kiwi. Bayabas. Oh. $2.99 each. Oh. Guava. Oh, kiwi. It's $2.99.
Good guava.
Good mango. Well, maybe later we have to go to the mall first, okay? $20 mango. Paya. What? $1.99 a pound. A candy wall. Diba? Oh. It's painting.
Yeah, this is one is just
Lahan ng pera, balikbayan box, pera padala. 40.85 ang ano ngayon, rate. You can rent them and you can ride. You can rent there. Rent me for ride. Lahat sila naka-purple. It's purple inside. And that side is red. Look at this purple. I like the purple. Let's go to Yuyo's. Pens. Stuffed toys. Model Railway Group. Oh, look at these. Where's the train?